What's up, guys? We are in OG Animal Company. See this all OG. We're just gonna be playing. All my stuff dropped. It's fine. So if you guys want a tutorial on how to get OG Animal Company, just let me know in the comments. Maybe get the video to like 50 likes or something. And then yeah. Is anyone else here? I don't know. I'm not leaving again though. So let's go. Let's go explore. I've explored all this area. It's not. I've explored and there's nothing in there. But this area over here. Red, white, green, like this. Go. What's over here? Chicken? Oh, another cave? Oh, I saw the rock guy. Is this chicken? Is chicken actually over here? Oh, chicken. I'm not trying to mean any business, I just want this thing. You can chew that.
Yeah, I'm giving.
Hey, chicken. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, chicken. I said I'm sorry. Yo, guys, where is everyone? Where is everyone at? I hear them. Where are you guys? Gonna meet up with some people. Hey guys.
Alright, come here.
Hey guys.
Watch this. No, don't sell you. Don't sell. Watch. Alright, watch how much money you get.
Hey, it's not working.
It's zero. Just watch how much money you'll get.
It's 0.
Oh, why isn't the machine working?
You're gonna break the machine.
We have
Guys,
$11.
one of you guys.
Why isn't the machine working?
Oh! Put something. No, put something in there first. Put something in there. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Please come in. Innocent.
Yo, chill.
Alright, it worked.
Oh! Oh!
There we go.
Oh! Okay, well, guys, that last level we just got a lot of money. So let's have some fun. I think my game's still loading. It's trying to code 66. Dun dun dun. But yeah, as I said before, if you guys want to get a tutorial, 50 likes, and I'll post a tutorial on how to get this. Yeah. So that was the video, guys. So if you liked the video, like, subscribe, and comment if you want a tutorial, and I'll give you a tutorial if we get 50 likes. But other than that, see you guys in the next video. Bye.